In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a barcode in Zoho Inventory. Whether you're new to Zoho or looking to streamline your inventory management, generating barcodes can significantly enhance the efficiency of tracking your products. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of how to make your inventory management smoother and more automated. To start off, you'll need to head over to the Inventory module in Zoho. Once there, navigate to the Items section. This is where you can view and manage all the products currently listed in your inventory. For the purpose of generating a barcode, you'll want to open the specific item for which you wish to create the barcode. This is as simple as clicking on the item in your list, which will bring up all the detailed information associated with that product. With the item details open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see the option labeled Generate Barcode. This is your main tool for creating a barcode specifically tailored to the item you've selected. Once you've clicked on the Generate Barcode button, you'll be presented with a choice. Here, Zoho gives you the flexibility to select between different types of code templates. You can opt for a traditional barcode, otherwise known as a 1D barcode, or you might prefer to use a QR code template. Each of these options serves different purposes, so consider what suits your needs best. Generally, 1D barcodes are widely used for their simplicity and are common in retail, while QR codes can store more information and are often used for more complex data encoding. Beyond choosing your preferred code format, you'll also need to decide which particular field you want to encode within the barcode. Zoho allows you to select from options such as SKU, item code, or serial number. Be sure to select the field that best fits your inventory tracking needs. The SKU is often used for general inventory identification, while serial numbers might be more applicable if you need to track individual items uniquely. After you've made your selections, the next step is straightforward. Simply click the Generate and Save button. This action will create the barcode based on your chosen settings and field. Your newly generated barcode will now be linked with the item in your inventory, making it ready to be printed or scanned depending on your operational requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully generated a barcode for an item in Zoho Inventory, providing a quick solution for enhancing your product tracking and efficiency. By following these steps, you can better manage your inventory, ensuring smooth operational workflows. Thanks for watching today, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.